Hello there, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving week. I can't wait to celebrate Thanksgiving with my family. It's going to be a lot different than it normally is. I'm usually with my in-laws, but we're not going to be with them, so it's just going to be me, Mr. Utzinger, and the kids. So I hope that you guys all have a very, very happy Thanksgiving. Now, we normally would be coming back on the following Monday, but because of COVID, we're going to be home for at least 1 week. I'm anticipating maybe it being a little bit longer, so I'm going to be sending things home in your backpacks that I don't want you to touch, okay? There's going to be 2 large giant bags, one for the first week that we're going to definitely be out of school, and there's going to be one for the second week. Don't open the second week because I'm not going to send out the video on how to do things until that week, okay? So keep it secure somewhere at your house. If we come back, awesome, but I don't know what it's going to look like, okay? So today, I'm in the classroom. My kids are at church, and I am doing a lot of taping today. I have a hat on, so I don't look like my normal self. I don't have my mask on, but this week, we're going to come back on Monday and Tuesday. Now, kids that come on Tuesday are obviously not going to get their packets until Tuesday. The things that I'm sending home are just a couple of things to get us by on Monday, Tuesday, and maybe just to keep you busy at the table if mom and dad are cooking Thanksgiving dinner for you. So there's just a couple of things. There is not going to be manipulatives. There's just going to be a couple of worksheets to make it a little bit easy on you this week. And then I'm going to send out a video next week to show you everything that I want you to do for our week off after Thanksgiving, okay? So here's what I want you to do this week, the week of November 23rd, okay? Thanksgiving week. We've been talking about shapes and how this shape, called a triangle, you're right, has 3 sides. You're going to do this, and you're going to try to create your own down here. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It looks like you're going to make 1, 2, and 3. Then I want you to color by number. So if mom or dad can help you color this red, this blue, brown, yellow, and orange, because that's what those words say, then you are going to look at this number and color everything that you see on that monkey that color. Here is numbers 1 through 5 and what they would look like in a tens frame and writing. We did one earlier this week, or last week I should say. We counted, drew a dot here to represent 1 in our tens frame, and wrote the number 1. So what I want you to do is I want you to count these, make it look like the tens frame, and write the number the best you can. Another one is syllables. So what I want you to do is clap how many parts to the word, like yarn. And then you're going to just do 1 because yarn has 1 syllable. Umbrella, ready? Clap it with me. Umbrella. You're right, it had 3. So I want you to color in 3 dots, just like that. So that's all I want you to do this week. Well, all I want you to do for schoolwork. But what else do I want you to do? I want you to thank somebody at your house for making that wonderful meal for you, because it takes a lot of time. This is my first time ever making Thanksgiving, and it took me a long time to prepare everything that I could ahead of time, to cook or to shop for everything. So it's my first Thanksgiving that I have to cook, and ooh, it's a lot of work. So make sure that you tell whoever's cooking your dinner, thank you. All right? Have a great Thanksgiving.